So I was expecting to be blown away by this. I had the Roborock V8 Max Ultra, whatever it's called before, and it had the dock, and but in the old one, hair tangled a lot, and the mopping function was okay, and it also tended to get stuck in a couple of my rugs that I moved away in the bathroom, like bath rugs. So I got this guy because, you know, it's supposed to be like fancy, you know, everything. And we got hardwood floor, we have carpets, and we have bath rugs. So things that I kind of like is that it looks nicer. It looks, you know, the nice sort of, I guess, this goldenish, chromish sort of finishings. And you know, it's closed up, and I like that it does have a separate compartment for the detergent, so you don't have to keep filling it. But that's when the problems start to happen, and I have issues with this. So just so you're aware, so when you pull it out, that clip right there that you see, this thing, that's the only thing that's holding the water in place. So if you don't clip it properly, that water is going to fall everywhere. So, and it doesn't feel great to clip it. So it's not a great clip, you know, and that's also true for this guy, for the dirty water. So at least for the clean water, you know if it's clipped when you fill it up. But for the dirty water, you had better make sure that that clip is on properly before you try pulling it out. So, you know, otherwise you're going to get dirty water everywhere. It feels kind of cheapish because, you know, the compartment, it's not magnetic, it's just clip on, so it just falls off. You know, it's not a great feeling. I mean, the bag is okay, and like I said, this detergent thing is kind of nice. It is very nice, I like that, but then I can't put this back with one hand. This is really, okay, it's very tricky. Now when it comes to the vacuum itself, it fits in backwards, which is fine, but this, it's not magnetic. It just sits there. And so if you turn it upside down, this thing is gonna fall out. And also the last time I did it, the filter fell out as well. Or the dustbin fell out because it wasn't clipped in properly. So again, it's, you know, you gotta make sure it's clipped in. And see, it doesn't clip in with just a little bit. You gotta really get in there. So it just doesn't feel like a premium $1,000 device. And you know, I'll show you. So it just sits there. It's not magnetic at all. So if you flip it, right? And I had a clump of hair right in there the first time I used it. So I was supremely disappointed. Initially I was so excited because I didn't see hair anywhere. And then I looked carefully, and then I saw a big clump of hair over here. And so overall, it just, you know, was kind of disappointing considering I got a new thing specifically for a clump of hair and good vacuuming and good mopping. And this is supposed to be a great mop and everything, but I do have issues with that, which, you know, and there you go. It's just lying on the floor. So, I don't know, it doesn't feel like a premium 1,000 plus whatever.
Start vacuuming while mopping.
Start vacuuming, you know what to stop. Like,
Not calibrating.
Stop.
Please wait. Cleaning paused.
Oh my lord. Well, there you go. I'm kind of very underwhelmed at the best. I kind of really tempted to try another vacuum, maybe return this really quickly. I don't know why I got such rave reviews. It did leave stuff so quickly, just showing you around here. It doesn't get up here. It avoids these as objects. It leaves all of these crumbs on the floor. Some of the stuff I picked up, but here it just didn't even go close to my, you know, I got this recently and I thought I'd leave it as a test.
God, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, and thank you for this life, sorry I complain.
Continue cleaning.
그냥 계속 재.
Bumper stock.